Hello, so today we're going to be looking at how to solve a 3-digit by 2-digit multiplication problem using the traditional method. Yesterday we looked at how to solve it with lattice, box, and the traditional. But if you remember in 5th grade you have to be able to do it traditional, and so we're going to go ahead and work through how to do that. If our problem is 364 times 86, the first thing that we need to do is to set up our problem. We're going to put our larger number on top and our smaller number on bottom, making sure that our places are lined up. Now to help us go through this, we're going to have our steps. Okay, step number one is going to be multiply the top number, and here our top number is 364. We're going to multiply that top number by the ones place in bottom number. Okay. So if I have my top number 364 times 6, I'm going to ignore the 8 for right now. So I'm going to always start in the ones place. 6 times 4 is 24. Got the 4 down here. Got to carry the 2. Then I've got 6 times 6 is 36 plus 2, 38. Carry the 3. 6 times 3 is 18 plus 3, 21. Okay. So that's my first step. I multiplied the top number by the ones place in the bottom number. My second step, okay, is going to be tic-tac-toe. Okay. What I mean by that is we're going to cross out the numbers that we're done with. That way we don't accidentally use them again or they don't confuse us. So I've got tic-tac-toe. That's going to remind us to put our smiley face 0 in the ones place, because on our next step we're now going to be multiplying by the tens place. So we're not going to have anything in the ones place anymore. So our 0 is going to help hold our place there so that we don't line up our numbers wrong. Okay. Once we've done tic-tac-toe, then we've got step number 3. Step number 3 is you're going to multiply the top number. So top number is still 364. Multiply top number by the tens place in the bottom number. So we're going to do the exact same thing, except for now we're multiplying the 364 by the 8, which we know the value is 80, and that's why we have our 0 on our second row. Okay, so again, we're starting 8 multiplied by 4 because 4 is in the ones place. 8 times 4 is 32. 8 times 6 was 48 plus 3, 51. 8 times 3 is 24 plus 5, 29. Since I don't have any more numbers to multiply over here, I'm going to have the 2 and the 9 all be coming down. Okay. So once I have that, I have my fourth step. My fourth step is add up the partial products. Since we know product is the answer to a multiplication problem, my partial products means these two numbers right here. These are my partial products because it makes up part of my product. So if I add those up then, I'm going to start with the ones place. 4 plus 0 is 4. 8 plus 2 is 10. Carry the 1. 1, 2, 3. 9 plus 2 is 11. 2 plus 1 is 3. So then we've got our final answer is 31,304.